Ha 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 ha. Hello everyone. This is Salsa with Sylvia Trick of the Week Halloween edition.
Yes.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Today, Harley Quinn and Spider-Woman are doing the Salsa with Sylvia Trick of the Week, Dominican Bachata by Spider-Woman. Here, who, by the way, did this awesome makeup for us today. And
let's get to it. Let's do it. All right. So, you're going to grab your partner, of course, and we are going to start with just the basic step going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, you're going to switch your hands. So the lead, I'm leading, of course. The lead is going to grab their follow's arms with these 3 fingers, right? And then you're going to switch them just like this. So that is the transition. Let's do it one more time. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. Okay? And then from here, we're going to do this little running step that I like to call it that. And you're going that direction to the right. And you go very, very underneath yourself on the ball of your feet. Starting with the right if you're a lead, starting with the left if you're a follow. Here we go, very slow. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, going the other way. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So as you can see, there's a little slight pause before your actual tap. Let's hear that one more time. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. All right, so from the beginning, we have a basic right and left, and then the running step right and left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. From here, we are going to open up. I'm opening up to my right. Sylvia's opening up to her left.
Harley Quinn.
Oh, excuse me. Harley Quinn is opening up to her left, going with her left leg, of course. We're going to step back, together, and back, and together. That's the basic step, right? Let's do it one more time because it gets a little bit more challenging after we add a little bit more of a sauce into it. Here we go. Stepping back, left if you're a follow, 2, 3, 4. So just like a basic step, basically a basic step, but opening up, right? Opening the door away from each other. Now to make it more challenging, you're adding the half step in between, that triple step that a lot of people like to call it different things. But it's basically just a tap in between steps. So you go 1 and step, tap, step, tap. Yes? So let's do it. 5, 6, open up. 1, tap, step, tap, step, tap. From there, notice that your weight should be, if you're a lead, on the right leg, if you're a follow, on your left leg. Yes? That means that if you wanted to, you could pick up your left or right leg as much as you could. That's balance, Harley Quinn.
Thanks, Spider-Woman.
All right, from that point on, your leg is already popped out. You're going to tap to the outside, bring it back in. On the second out, you're going to put your weight on it, and it's a cross. You're gonna cross it. Notice how my hips are already shifting, going towards the inside, that direction, right? Getting ready to close the door again. So let's try that one more time, opening up with the taps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, 4, out, in, step. And that's all we did. One more time. Again, on the second out, you want to put your weight on it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, yep, we're just gonna open. Sorry, didn't tell my follower what we're doing. Here we go. 6, open up. 1 and 2 and 3. Tap, out, in, step. From here, you're going to very briefly just tap the floor, but then you're gonna keep going with a side step, right? And your hips are going to shift going that direction. So you tap, step, ball, change, and step on your other leg, ball, change, tap. It's just a ball change step. One more time. Let's go from the open leading onto that so you can see what that looks like. Here we go. 6, 7, open, 1, tap, 2, and 3, 4, out, in, step, tap, 1, and a 2, and a tap. Yes? From
so
there.
You want to tap instead of going.
Well, there's a tap in between. That's a good question. Okay. Because some people will make the mistake, and this is how you fall out of timing. You want to still use that half count that's in between. Tap before you go 1 and 2 and tap. That tap is still there, and that is what makes it very Dominican. Yes? All right, let's do it one more time. Just opening up. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, out, in, step, tap, 1 and 2 and tap. Yes? From here, you're going to bring your follow in towards you with a basic step. 1, 2, 3, tap, and you're here. From here, we're just gonna turn towards my right, going clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you want to give it that spin effect, very settle, but it's an accent. So from there, you just want to keep going towards the left. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So you really want to grab her scapula in between both of her scapulas, and you want to push, right, with your left arm, my leads. You're going to quickly do this motion. So let's try it. We just did ta, tiki, ta, tiki, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, spin, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, my follows, you are going to step with your left leg going back. 1, I'm sorry, that's your right leg. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and leads, you opened up, right? You're on this diagonal, and you're going to allow her or lead her to do a turn, going to her, what side is that?
Left.
Your left. Your left. Okay, let's step it back a little bit. Let's try that one more time, going from the open. Let's just put it all together. 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Open 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Out, in, step, tap. 1 and 2 and out. Come on in, turn. 1, 2, 3. One more turn. 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 5, 6, 7, and basic. Nice. You guys want to try with music?
Yo de veras, con más amor. Ahora, el hombre de tu vida. Haciendo malos pensamientos y yo estoy haciendo malos pensamientos. Tu piel morena, mamá, y tu boquita de miel me tiene.
All right, guys, that was our Halloween style, Dominican style trick of the week with Harley Quinn here
and Spider Woman,
aka Carla, your studio manager. So don't forget to check out our classes. We have Dominican Bachata every Saturday at 5 p.m. among other classes that you should definitely check out.
Thank you, Carla, Spider Woman. That was awesome. I really enjoyed my first Dominican Bachata lesson. And again, check out our website, www.salsawithsylvia.com. Don't forget, we're opening a second location in Bethesda, so stay tuned. Lots of classes that we offer here. If you're in the DMV area, definitely come check us out. If not, just keep following us. Give us the thumbs up. Turn on your notifications so you can see the next video when it comes up. See you guys next time.
See ya.